Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we'll explore making sliders interactive in Slider Revolution. I will show you how to add buttons and text that responds to clicks and use triggers like hover and scroll events to control animation playback, making your slider more engaging and dynamic. Click on Add New Layer on the top of the screen. Choose the type of layer you want to add, like image, text, button, or video. We will add a button by clicking on Button. Now, once our button is added, you can choose its style. You can adjust a button on your slide wherever you want on the slide. You can increase or decrease the size by dragging. You can also add triggers to the button by clicking on Actions. We can add link actions, slide actions, and layer actions. Now you can add a link over here. Now, whenever the button is triggered on the slider, it will be redirected to this link. You can also add protocols of your domain from over here. If you want to open the link in the same window, click on Same Window, or if you want to open the link in a new window, click on New Window. If you want to add a follow link or no follow link, click on the required one. You can also add a jQuery trigger from over here. You can also add a delay of your trigger by setting the time. You can also add a repeat trigger from over here. You can select like link actions, slide actions, or layer actions. You can also add a link of your action button. You can set the protocol, set the window of trigger, set if the link is follow link or no follow link, and select the delay time action. You can also change the position of your layer by clicking on your layer and dragging it according to your requirement. You can also drag slide layers according to your design requirements. Let's now see how to use different triggers like mouse hover, clicks, and scroll events. To apply hover trigger, select the layer you want to make interactive by clicking on it. Now go to Layers, click on the Actions tab. From over here, we can add different mouse scrolls, like menu link scroll, scroll to below slider, and we have other options for mouse scroll. Now from over here, we can add scroll offset, animation ease, animation duration, action delay, trigger repeat delay. That's how you can make Slider Revolution slides interactive with triggers and custom action. Subscribe to learn more Slider Revolution tips and tricks.